got on this computer. Okay, so today we'll talk about strings. Okay, we have spoken, we have done operators, right? So we have done operators on numbers, and logical operators are on Boolean values, right? So let's focus on strings. What are different operations that you can perform on strings? So for string, okay, you have, let's say, I'm defining a string. So I'm going to say name1 equal to Sachin. Okay, let's say. Now, if you see this, now if I have to read a component of it, or I want to read subset of it. Okay, so for let's start with simple one. I want to read first character. So what I'll say? I'll say print name1. Now, if I say name1, it will print the entire thing, isn't it? So I want a portion of it, subset of it, right? So I'll put square bracket. Okay. Now this concept which I'm telling you about square bracket and subset kind of thing, this is used for lot of other things. So this concept is very important. Okay. So whether we do list, tuple now, or later we'll do pandas, numpy when we're doing the machine learning algorithms, this is useful. Okay. The square bracket. Okay. We need to use square bracket. Okay. So name1 square bracket. Okay, I give 0. Counting in Python starts from 0, isn't it? So if you want 0 is for first character. Okay, so if I go ahead and run here, okay, so see, you get S. Name1 of 0 will give me S. Okay, you there? Can you hear me?
Oh, sorry. I think I'm
No,
on mute.
no problem. So if I need third character, what should I do?
Print name1, 2.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so this will give me third character, right? Okay. So now in Python, counting starts from two directions, both the directions. Okay. So let's say if you have Sachin here, right? So index of S is 0, index of A is 1, index of 2 is C, then this is 3, 4, 5, correct? So if I have to get the last character, right? So if I have to go to the last character, okay. So one thing is I know that it is fifth, okay. So I'll say 5, okay, because I counted it is fifth character. So I say 5, right? So you get N, correct? Second option is, okay, I can find the length of this total. Yesterday we did length, right? Remember in the while loop? So how do I
Okay.
get a total length? So
Length name1.
correct. So len of name1, len1 will give me the total characters. So total characters, how many are there? Total characters will be 6 only, right? Because counting is always 1. This is 1, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I do len of name1, it's going to give me
Okay, so
um
we have to do size -1 in that square bracket, right?
exactly.
Okay.
I have to do size -1. Okay. So now you get N. Okay, that's one. So even if I need second last,
Size
last
-2.
-2, correct. Okay. So now what Python does is it actually gives backward indexing also. Forward indexing we have from 0 to len -1, and backward indexing you have from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so you have both side indexing. Okay, so instead of saying size -1, you can simply say
-1.
-1. Exactly. -1 will give us the last character. Okay, so this is about getting single characters. How do I get the group of characters? Okay, so I need name one square bracket. Let me say I need 2, 3, and 4th characters. 2, 3,
So
4.
we have to give comma, right?
Colon.
Sorry,
Double
colon.
dot. Yes, double dot, colon. So your second is what? 1, isn't it, in Python? Index of second character is 1, right? -1. Correct? So see, 2, 3, 4 means ACH, correct?
Yes.
Right? So the index of A is 1. And I need to go to 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So remember in Python, ending is always 1 plus 1 more than what you need. Okay? 1 more than what you need. So I need 3. So I need to give here 4. Remember, range also we did same thing. Remember? For loop range. Okay.
Oh,
Whatever
okay.
you need, we have to go one step further away.
One. So now that 1 colon 4 means it will give, like it will start from the one
A,
character, right? It will
huh,
start from A
A
and then it will go
up to 3rd.
to 3. Okay. So C and H will come, right?
Correct. If I had given 10, it would have gone to 9. Okay, but 9 is not there, so it gives you error.
Okay.
Okay. So now when you run it, you get ACH.
Okay.
Right? So, okay. Now I need first 3 characters. So what I'll give, what I do?
Name 1 0 colon 3.
Correct. Okay. So what it says is, okay, if you are starting from first, you don't have to give 0. You can leave it blank.
So default is 0 like range function.
Yes, yes. No value on left of means it's 0. Right? Start from beginning. Okay, that's what it means. Okay. I want last 3 characters let's discuss using positive thing only, okay? Positive indexing, then we'll go to negative indexing. I want last 3 characters.
Size minus. Okay, you want to go only positive, right? No.
Yes. No, we'll do after this. We'll do negative one.
Okay, size minus last 3, right?
Yes.
Size -1 colon. Okay, we have to start from backside now. So
Yes.
how can we come here? It will go forward only, right? If I give 3.
No.
-3 should we
See,
should
this
we
is 5, correct?
Yes.
Right. So you need 3, 4, 5. Correct. So you need 3 and 5. So you have to give 6. Correct. You need 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So you'll
Okay,
say
you are
3.
asking me to count from. Okay.
Okay,
I
and no,
understand.
I will do it. We will we'll go to that also. What you are saying.
Okay.
Okay. So Okay, so this is 3 colon 6 you can give. 6 is what? Your size, isn't it?
Last.
Right? And this is, last 3 is size minus 3. Correct? Third character, so size minus 3. Correct?
Yes.
If I say last 4 character, this would become size minus 4 to size. One more than the last character. So you get size here. Right? So when you run it, you get HIN, right? Now, see, this is still positive numbers, right? Size minus 3 is 6 minus 3, 3. 3 colon 6 is same as 3 colon 6. Now let's do negative indexing. So negative indexing, let's do with first 3 characters using negative indexing. So what is negative indexing? So this is minus 6, isn't it? So minus 6 colon 1, 2, 3. Right? I need first 3, right? So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, we need it. So we need to go to minus 3. Correct? So this will give us first 3 character again.
S, A, and C, right?
Right? Yes. Or what you can do is, you can say minus size. Correct? And since I want 3 characters, so you say 3 minus size. Right? Okay. Or simply that's the way, right? Okay. So this is how you can get it. First 3 characters. Okay. Now, how do I get last 3 character using negative indexing? Last 3 characters using negative indexing. So this is your last 3, right?
Yeah.
So this is minus 3, correct? Last 3 means minus 3. Last 4 means minus 4. Last 1 means minus 1, correct? So last 3. Last 3 is minus 3. Colon, what should be the last value?
Like, I don't know. So last value should be like, we cannot go until minus 1, right?
Minus 1, if you go, it will give you only
Minus
I.
2 only.
Minus 2 only, right? So here, just like you did not give here, right? You leave it here blank. So minus 3, leave it blank. When you leave it blank on the right side, okay, no value on right of colon means go till last.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So here also you can give everywhere. Wherever we are going to the last character, right? Here also you can delete it. Okay. Wherever we are going to the last, right? Here also you can delete it. Okay. When you delete it, it means go to the last. Okay, this is very important. You are getting it, so good. Because same concept we will do for other data structures. Okay, we won't spend time there. Okay, same whether it's a string or list or tuple or numpy or pandas. Okay, we use same concept. Okay. Okay. Now, second thing is, okay, you can run a loop on this. So remember I told you for loop, okay, is made of various components. So when I say for I in, so I'm saying I should take the value on whatever we give here. So if I give range 4, it will take value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? It will take 0, 1, 2, 3. So instead of range 4, I can even give name 1. If I give name 1, then I will take the value of values in name 1. Correct? So if I say print I, what do you get? Values from name 1. And how many times this loop will run? This loop will run the number of characters that you have in this string. So see, I will take these values. Right? Okay. So you can say for I in name 1. So it means you are running this loop 6 times. So if you want to run loop 6 times, you can even say for I in name in Sachin, basically. You can say, so if you have name, your name also 6 characters. So you can put your name as well. So loop will run 6 times. Right? You can even say for I in range len of name 1. Right? Now, when I say range, obviously it start from 0. Len means 6. So it'll start from 0 to 5. Correct? So you can print, I can say something like this. The character at the index I is name 1 of I. Okay. So I can run this way as well. The character at index 0 is S. Character at index 1 is A. Correct? So I'm saying range, so it is generating 0 to 6. Right? And you have index and you have name here. Make sense? We also have something called enumerate. Okay. Enumerate will create the combination of position and value. So if I say here for I in, okay, I in enumerate, okay, and here you give this value name 1 and you print I, okay. So see 0S, 1A, 2C, it will give you this combination. Okay, you can read it in 2 different ways as well. I can say I comma j, right? And let me copy this whole thing and I'll paste it here. So here index is I. So first is index, right? So I will get this value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And j will get SACHIN. Okay, so instead of saying name of I will simply say j. Okay, so oops, what happened? Double P. So again, you get same thing here, right? So this is how you can use for loop in multiple ways, using enumerate, using range, or simply using.
So this enumerate function is like it will give the index value and
Index and value, both. Index comma value.
Okay.
This is the one, right? So index comma value. So if you read as one variable, you will get something like this. You can read it as separate variable. I can say read it I comma j. If you read it I comma j, so index will be then read separately and value will be read separately. Right?
So if we don't give 2 characters, then what will it take? It will take both the values for the same thing.
Yeah, that's what we did here, right? This is the output for this, isn't it? I gave only one variable. So both the values are stored in same variable. Okay.
Okay.
Great. So
But it's turning more and more complex now, right?
no, it's not complex. If you practice, when you start practicing it, you will feel it's easy. Okay. So that's okay. No worries. Okay. Maybe we'll do a little more and we'll stop here so that you get practice and um, we can meet for 10-15 minutes tomorrow. Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
it is okay. It is okay if you don't have to also like tomorrow and like Tuesday and Thursday is like
So one more, sorry. Okay. So there is something called as in, right? We did this before. We can do it now. So if I say S in name one, right? Obviously S is in name one, so you get true, right? You can concatenate two string. So I can say print, okay. Now name one and I'll say name two equal to Tendulkar, let's say. So you can say name one plus name two. Okay, so again, so name one concatenating with space, then name two, right? So name one space name two. So you can add any number of string plus string plus string plus string, so on. You can even multiply a string. Oops. So if I say print name one into 4, right? So if you run it, you get, no, do not run. So see, Sachin, 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 Sachin. So if I put Sachin space, right? Sachin plus space, and then I put this in a bracket. Because if I don't put in the bracket, then BODMAS rule, space will be multiplied 4 times, right?
yeah.
So now I'm saying such name one plus space. So first plus will happen because of the bracket, and then multiplication with 4 will happen, right? So you get Sachin space, Sachin space, Sachin space, Sachin space, you'll get here. Okay, this is how we can multiply. So there are a lot of functions which are there in string. That's what we'll do it the next session.